Eyewear stores online can be hit or miss, especially when the site name sounds generic. Today, we're taking a closer look at Alpine Wear Glasses. Is this a real online eyewear store worth buying from, or a fake suspicious shop you should avoid? Let's break it down. So, Alpine Wear sells sunglasses and eyewear with flashy product pages showing UV 400 protection, photochromic lenses, and other trendy specs. On the surface, it looks like a normal fashion accessory site meant for outdoor gear and eyewear, but we need to go beyond pretty photos and check whether the store itself is trustworthy and whether people will actually receive what they pay for. Here's what independent website checks reveal. Low trust scores. Scam Advisor analysis show that the store's domain is very young and has hidden ownership details, which are classic red flags for risky sites. Some scans even categorize the site as high risk or suspicious and recommend extra caution before interacting or buying. Conflicting indicators. While the site uses a valid SSL certificate, meaning your info would be encrypted if you enter it, that alone doesn't prove legitimacy. Many scammy site stores also use HTTPS to appear safe. Limited third-party review. There are no widely verified customer reviews on trustworthy platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or verified e-commerce review sites tied to real purchases of Alpine Wear Glasses. That makes it really hard to confirm whether customers are genuinely getting what they order. These signals don't inspire confidence. They suggest it's not firmly established or trusted like major eyewear retailers. Many items on the site use generic, fashiony product descriptions without clear technical optic details. That's typical of generic product listing sites, but less common on reputable eyewear brands that share lens specs, certifications, manufacturing details, and real user photos. Also, major eyewear brands invest in verified social presence and independent reviews, but Alpine Wear's page lacks those credible signs. That doesn't prove it's a scam, but it increases risk, especially when the domain is new and trust scores are low. You might consider trying Alpine Wear if you're ordering inexpensive glasses as a casual accessory. You use a buyer-protected payment method like PayPal or credit card, and you're okay with the possibility of returns taking effort or not being honored. But avoid it if you want prescription eyewear or precise UV optical protection backed by verified testing. You're looking for reliable returns, warranty, and customer support, and you prefer established optical brands with real community feedback. So is Alpine Wear Glasses real or fake? Based on the site age, low trust scores, hidden ownership, and lack of credible reviews, it's risky and not a proven trusted eyewear store. That doesn't guarantee it's a scam, but it definitely warrants caution. If you do decide to buy it, use payment protection and don't spend more than you're willing to risk. For a safer eyewear shopping, stick with well-known retailers that have stronger reviews and transparent policies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.